Yeah, alright guys, welcome back to this tutorial on how you can get your cursor back on track. Alright, as you can see now, I'm trying to select this lens. But my cursor is not appearing. So this happens sometimes when there is a glitch in the software, maybe during render issues, or maybe if the software is lagging, or most of the time you mistakenly press something on the there are a lot of things that can cause this. So to fix this, I'm currently working on a composition which the name is animation script, right? All right, so from this my view menu, I'm going to select this 3 dash line. All right, then I'll go to view option. Under view option, I'll select layer control and click on OK. If I select this lens again, you see it's already showing. It's showing already. So if I select any other thing, I'll see the cursor. All right, if this tutorial have helped you, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video.